In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to group images together here in Canva. So I already have a couple of images just here. What we're going to do is group these together so it's essentially one image. Now what you want to do is just have the images how you want. So I'm going to put that one maybe like that. And then all we want to do is drag and highlight over the selected images. We can do this for as many images as we want as well. Then if we look up here, it now says group. If we click on there, these two images have now been grouped and can be moved around together just like this. If we want to ungroup these, all we have to do is simply click onto there, click on ungroup, and now we're back to having two images. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to group images together here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.